Hey, Lori Langdon here from Home and Property Real Estate. Just out at a brand new listing we're just getting in rural Mapleton. Gorgeous country out here. We've got 4.5 acres, and the big thing about this property is that there's 2 homes on this. So over here you can see on this side we have a detached century home with 3 apartments in it. They're fully rented, and also you can see as I pan the gorgeous spot we're in. And on this side of me we also have another building. It's a bungalow. It's a 2,000 square foot bungalow, and it is fully available to rent or to own. So here you have all kinds of options, and as I go around I'll just show you the country. Got all kinds of options around here. You can live in one and rent the other out, or bring your extended family in, or use the whole property itself as an income producing property. This is a great spot. We're just putting it up on MLS now, and I'd like to kind of take you a look inside. So come on inside and we'll take a look around.